Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. It's a new month, and so we have a new journal we're making. So this month I'm concentrating on a cooking and gardening journal. So this is for the hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge. So I'm going to pull this paper down here. If you've been on my channel, you've seen this before. So there are 6 ladies here. We all have a YouTube channel, we all love to create journals, and we all have a bucket list of journals that we want to make. So this year we have committed to once a month making a journal off of our bucket list and filming 2 videos. One will be the introductory video, which is like this one, and then at the end of the month I'll have another video that will show you the completed journal. All the ladies will do the same thing. Everybody has a different theme. It's really an open challenge, so please join us. Again, that's hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024. Our main host is Dawn with Scrapbook Sage. There's the other ladies, so go ahead and check their channels out. Lots of inspiration. So what we're doing is I've gathered my materials to start here. I was just going to take you through a little bit here. So I have a kit, and it is by Antonio Makes. So I have actually 3 kits that I purchased, digital kits. So they are from the Vintage Cookbook collection. He has 4 different kits in there. I purchased 3 and will be using those. So I have the background pages, which are 11 pages in the kit. There's an embellishment, which is 9 pages. And then the base is 7 pages with backgrounds, tags, and labels. So check out Antonio Makes. Lots of good stuff over there. You'll probably see some more of his kits used in my future journals. I also have a little pile here from Dawn, so we'll go through that in just a moment. But I wanted to show you guys. Now this fabric, I had a friend give me a pile of fabric, about 6 or 7 pieces, and this was in there. So I wanted to create a cooking journal with this. And then I just happened to come along and just kind of folding this out so you can see what it looks like and the colors in it. And I happened to come along Antonio's page, and I've been in there for a while, but I went ahead and I had purchased this kit quite a while ago, but I hadn't really looked at it, just kind of interested because it was a cooking journal. And then when I got this material, I realized how well all these colors went with the material. So that's what I'll be using in this journal. So I've already pre-folded the pages here because, like I said, I got this a while ago. And you know what? Now that I look at this, I did get the other kit. So I bought all 4. The other one is it's called Recipes. And I think it's 20 or 21 pages, and there's over 100 different vintage recipes in there. So as you can see, I'm just going to kind of flip through these because I did already fold these in preparation quite a while ago, and so this is kind of a work in progress that was kind of put aside, and I thought, well, I'm gonna work on these. So I'm just gonna flip through here so you can kind of get a feel for this kit. So yeah, this is the first 21-page just recipe kit. And he has vegan options in here as well, and vegetarian. And then this is the other kit. I think this is the backgrounds kit. Yes. So, oh, something just fell. These are part of the 3rd kit, which is the base kit. The tags here. And I love the vintage check there. So I'll use some of these. Some of them I might not use and save for another journal. And here's some more backgrounds. So these will be a lot of fun to work with. And then here are the background pages. Some of them I folded up and used as an actual page, but here are some of the background pages. And I have a few more. I have to get them out of the drawer because, like I said, these were I started it and then I just put it aside. So anyway, that's what the base of the journal is going to be. And then I have these little snippets that Dawn has made, and they have a garden theme, but I thought they would, some of them, you know, like this one, or this one, some of the ones that are cooking related, I would pull those out and use those in the journal as well. And look how well they go with all the colors. So I love that. So those will be going in there. And, you know, just as I'm going through here, I'm just kind of pulling them while I'm talking to you guys. But anyway, that's kind of the idea there, that I'm going to use these in with the journal, use this fabric, use Antonio Makes Kits, and we'll see where it goes. I also have some other embellishments that I might use. I got these on Amazon, and I will link that in the description box, but I'm just pulling them out here. So these are kind of, it comes in a little book, and these were all in there, and I made another journal out of some of the stuff in here, so I'll probably incorporate these because again they go with the red theme and cooking and everything. So that's kind of where we're at. That's the direction we're going this month. So I hope you join me as I will at least post one more video of the completed journal. Hopefully I'll either do a live video or perhaps another video. So let me know if you guys prefer like a live video. I could do those probably on the weekends when less people are in my house, but maybe like a Saturday kind of thing. Midday is probably better because then everybody's kind of gone about their day. So kind of let me know what your thoughts are on that, if you would enjoy a live video. Dawn and I have also been talking about doing a live video together, so we're going to try to work out the logistics of that for you guys, and that'll be fun because then we can kind of join with the other ladies in our that are co-hosting the challenge, and maybe, you know, each one have a live video. So anyway, we don't know if we're going to all do that because it's a whole different game, but anyway, here we are. This is the journal. We're going to work on it, getting those bucket list items off of the bucket list and into the done pile. Thank you so much for watching, and check out my shop. I have a lot of great things in there. Yvette's Junk Journal Shop on Ko-fi. Like this video, comment if you want, share it with your friends, do all the good things, and have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.